Hello, this is Mr. Patrick from the library. Today I'm going to show you how to access Sora ebooks, our library's ebook service. Here you will find a wider selection of ebooks than you can find on Epic, and these are more popular titles to support students' reading interests and to engage with reading more inside and outside of school. So just to show you on the library catalogue, here are ebooks that we have on Sora, but we cannot access them through the library catalogue. So let's say that we want this book. We would go up to Sora, click on the Sora site, and then search for it there instead. Now you can also download the Sora app in order to use Sora, or you can go through the library catalogue like I'm doing now. You may see this page when you get to Sora, or it may look different. In the Seesaw activity, I've showed you how to use a setup code. I will just show you that if this is your first time logging in. You would click on I have a setup code and type in TH schools, get started. Then you would select our school, Shrewsbury International School City Campus, and you would put in your child's username. These have been shared on the Seesaw activity or in the library lessons this week. Once you're logged in, you can browse the different ebooks using the binoculars symbol, explore. You can use the search box or browse the collection, Non-Fiction November, our non-fiction books to choose from, and other popular subjects, picture books, biographies, and these will change. You can also look at different collections here. If you search for the book, one we found on the library catalogue, and we can see that it says borrow in blue. This means the book is available and it hasn't been borrowed. Let's see if any books have been borrowed, which means that we cannot borrow them just yet, and we need to place a hold. That one is available. Let's look at something else. See if we can find a book that is already borrowed. This one says place hold, which means we can't borrow and open it now, but we can click on that and place a hold. I already have a hold on this book, and it tells me I have about 4 weeks. If I go to my shelf, I can see the holds that I have. Clicking here, and it tells me if there's a roundabout date when I might receive the book, to be able to open it as an ebook, or if there's an unknown waiting time. Here is a book I have loaned. We click on Open Book, and here we can read the book and change different chapters. We can also change the text, how it looks, how big it is, depending on what kind of book it is. Zoom, we can highlight, and you can explore the menu there. Here we can renew the book, or we can return it so that somebody else can borrow it, especially if they have placed a hold on it. So that's good practice. The books are automatically returned for you, and you can see how long you have left. This one is due very soon. So, thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy Sora ebooks. You can do lots more with it and earn rewards as well for your reading achievements. Bye for now.